everybody. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new plugin I made to solve a problem of my own. The problem is I have a website here. This is my website, binarycarpenter.com, and I want to display Adsense on this site. But there are some pages, some posts I want to exclude from displaying ads. So I want to exclude ads from posts that in WooCommerce category because I have plugins I want to sell in those categories, and don't want to distract users from the plugins by displaying the ads. And in addition, here are my sales page for my products, and I don't want to display ads on this sales page too. And these pages are created by a custom post type, so I want to exclude ads from certain custom post types too. So this is what I have created. You can see that there are three sections here. The first one is a text area where you can enter your ads code from Google, and you need an Adsense account to get this code. And the next section is where you can exclude categories from showing ads. You can see that here I have quite some categories here, and the one I checked here are the categories that will not show ads. And finally, here are the custom post types on my website. And you see that this is the landing page for my plugins. So I check this to exclude it from showing ads. And if you have WooCommerce, then you will have a checkbox with product title here. And if you want to exclude ads from your WooCommerce products pages, then you check that checkbox. So finally, you click on Save Settings, and that's it. That is all you have to do to insert the auto ads on your page, and also exclude the ads from certain pages, from certain categories and custom post types. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the plugin. You can download it in the link in the description. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Goodbye.